Hello everyone, my name is Nicola and welcome back to another episode of Argona AMAs. This episode we have a submission from Aobo from Melior. Aobo wants to know, when you're in the early stages of developing a B2B product, how do you actually get companies involved with your product? How do you get them into your beta test? And how do you get your first customer?
Finding your customers in any field is a difficult step to take. Any stage of the business, whether it's early stage or later product development and launch, realistically, what it all starts with is finding those early adopters. Something that you'll hear me commonly say, common phrase. What exactly does an early adopter mean? It means it's the first person that's going to use your tool, your service, your product, whatever it might be. Those people who are very excited, right? They're the ambassador types, the people who are going to get on board first, the first movers in that sort of a sense. Really what you want to take into consideration when you're reaching out for, let's say, a beta program is what value adds can you produce during these early stages, especially if it's before an MVP stage. You want to understand communication channels, exactly what it is you're testing and how you're going to be collecting the feedback. And then third, how do you retain them? How do you go through the process of bringing them on board, getting into the value of the product and understanding whatever stage it's at. You're a client, you're a customer, or hey, you're going through this beta test. We really want to understand the features that you're using on an everyday basis. So things to take into consideration, but overall, thank you for your submission. And again, reach out anytime you have any questions.